Well, Angelica, you were right, it was a mutiny. What are we gonna do? I am gonna kill the new captain of the Pearl. I am gonna kill that gay.
Calm down, I know that we are got marooned, but maybe there is cave.
Full of gold? And food? Or maybe is it just that fool, Hector Barbosa? He betrayed me.
Food and gold could be very, very nice. But where are we gonna find it? Where are we? We need a place to sleep too, Jack.
I know, but we got no place to go.
Where are we gonna go? Where, Jack?
Maybe there is a lost boat. Or a treasure, or a whole boathouse.
I don't think so, Jack. What is gonna happen to us? We're gonna be here until we die.